I just moved over to this other field because I wasn't having any luck at the other side, and been out here about 10 minutes and just came across this. It's Tuesday, and got a big storm coming in tonight. Probably like most everybody else, just like come out here while the ground was hard and a little easier to walk. So broken, but it's always nice to find something. At least I can go home and say it didn't do this for it, just for the heck of it today. Not the best find, but nonetheless, take it anyway. Well, not sure what I got here. May not be anything. I'm hoping that it's something. Looks kind of nice. Just came across it. Been out here for about 20 minutes, so if I can get it out of the dirt, we'll see what it is. Oh, brother. Oh, it's in there. Alright. Well, you can see I'm slowly working my way back to it. This long, whatever it is, I'm just trying to be real careful because the ground is really, really frozen right here. And I'm just trying to be as careful with it as I can. So I'm going to shut this off, try to do a little more excavating, and get to the end of this thing, and be back as soon as I get it out. Okay, I just finally got it broken loose. I'm trying to be really careful with it. I know it's loose. I was able to lift it up, and darn, not what I thought it might be. Pretty formed. It's been worked, obviously, but certainly not what I was hoping to see the bottom look like. But pretty neat, nice looking. Just not exactly what I was hoping for. Alright, gotta go. Well, here we go. It's getting cold out, getting late. Been out here for a couple hours, and was just thinking about heading out. And I guess that's what keeps us coming back and staying out longer. Just ran across this. Well, it's probably a tool or something, and again, stuck to the ground. So, but nice little piece. Got some nice color to it and design. Another tool. So, I'll get these posted tonight. Well, this is the finds from yesterday. Nothing fantastic. Just broken tip, broken serrated. Would have been a nice one. And this one looked awesome. When I saw it stuck in the ground, dug it out, and wow. Just a scraper, tool, some kind. Still nice. It's been worked pretty much all the way around. Fits your hand pretty good. And then another scraper. It's kind of neat. It's got some swirl to it. And it's been worked pretty well all the way around. So that was it.